With Lincoln Electric, get the right tool for the job every time. The Lincoln Electric Weld-Pak 90i MIG is ultra-portable, only weighing 15 pounds. It comes with a shoulder strap that makes it easy to transport, while leaving your hands free to carry other equipment. That means you can tackle those welding projects anywhere you have a 120-volt circuit. But talk about power. This machine's compact inverter technology delivers up to 90 amps of welding power. So whether it's on the job site or around the house, this sleek machine will help you conquer the projects you always dreamed about. And it's versatile. You can MIG weld up to 3/16 of an inch and gasless flux-cored weld up to a 1/4 inch. Lincoln Electric designed the Weld-Pak 90i MIG for hard-working professionals and do-it-yourselfers. A simple 2-knob operator interface makes it easy for anyone to operate, regardless of skill level. The convenient process chart helps you dial in the amperage and wire speed to get the perfect weld. Best of all, it's available at your favorite retailer. Visit LincolnElectricRetail.com to find a retailer near you. So why should the Weld-Pak 90i MIG be your go-to machine for on the go and in the shop? Along with the portability and power, it comes with an impressive set of accessories: a connected welding gun, shielding gas regulator and hose, work clamp, contact tips, and both a MIG and a flux-cored nozzle. For MIG welding, attach the regulator and hose to a cylinder of shielding gas. For added convenience, the regulator's delivery pressure is preset, so you won't need to make any adjustments. Insert a spool of Lincoln Electric MIG wire. The 1/4 turn spool lock makes it easy to add the wire. Now you're ready to MIG weld. And what about flux-cored welding? We've got you covered. You won't need gas, so just insert a spool of flux-cored wire, attach the flux-cored nozzle, and now you're set for flux-cored welding. But before you start to weld, make sure you have the right personal protection equipment. Lincoln Electric has a wide selection of helmets, gloves, and other gear to keep you safe. Now you're ready to weld. And finally, the Weld-Pak 90i MIG is a Lincoln Electric welder. For over a century, professionals have trusted Lincoln for welding equipment, consumables, and accessories. Whether this is your first welder or in addition to your equipment lineup, you can trust the 90i MIG to deliver the quality you expect from Lincoln Electric. So check out the Lincoln Electric Weld-Pak 90i MIG. You'll like its portability, its ease of use, and of course, its welding power. It truly is the first welder designed to be your first welder. Visit LincolnElectricRetail.com for more information and to find a retailer near you. And if you need tips on welding, visit Lincoln Electric Retail on YouTube for instructional videos.